What's up, guys? It's Mila at WTI. If you're looking for a mini fridge that takes up minimal space and holds just enough for bare essentials, I think I found the mini fridge for you. This mini fridge is by AIDEK and it really does do what I need it to. It's a minimalist design, as you can see. It's white and it's got this beautiful pattern in front that I think just goes with everything. Amazingly enough, this fridge weighs less than 5 pounds and it's super quiet. The fan in here, when you're plugged in, you will not have any trouble sleeping with this if it's in your bedroom. And it's super easy to plug in. You just use a regular outlet, plug it in, and it stays cold. And the reason that I got it was actually because when I stay at my friend's house, I stay in their room, and sometimes in the morning I don't feel like coming out. I just want my coffee maker and my creamer. And this does just what I need it. It carries my creamer, no problem, and it keeps it just cool the way I need it. And of course, you can add little things in the door panel as well, like this protein bar. I absolutely love the fact that it comes with a car charger cable, so you can take this fridge on the road with you and keep your beverages cool while you're on a family road trip. Super nice feature. I love this mini fridge. It serves what my needs are, and that's my point of view.